chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie, Lynn, Somerville, Kane. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you are returning, thank you so much. It means everything to me. As you can tell from the video, as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing a fall look using some makeup that I haven't used in a while, so I don't really remember how I feel about it or if I like it anymore or if I ever really loved it or whatever. Anyways, I went through everything I had and was like, oh, I haven't used that in a while. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, for primer, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect Makeup Primer. It's supposed to smooths, resurfaces, brightens, mattifies, and protects. I know I've used it before a couple of times. It's pretty full, but I don't really remember how I feel about it. It is feeling very lotiony. I don't really see where it's mattifying my face right now, but we will see. All right, for foundation, I'm going in with this Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Matte Foundation in the shade 03 Cream. I have not used this in so long, and I used to use it all the time, but my memory's so bad, I honestly don't remember what I thought about it. I have been tanning, so I'm not sure what the shade is gonna look like on my face, but we're just gonna work with it. And this is what it looks like. I have always loved the packaging. Like, I just feel like the packaging is so cute. Okay, I feel like the shade's gonna be pretty good. Now, I will say one thing I did remember, and I'm noticing it right off the bat, is it has that old lady perfume smell. Like, you know, like my granny used to wear it all the time, or she used to have it. And it was like that powder, like that, oh, that powder, it smelled so horrible. So if you don't like strong smells, I don't recommend this. But I'm the type that it don't bother me if the product is amazing. And I'm sorry, I'm running through here right now. I just had to pluck some eyebrows. So far, I'm saying, or it's looking like it's a medium to full coverage. Like, it's looking so pretty. Like, now I see why I used to use it all the time. It's not too matte or whatever. It's not too matte or whatever. It's not too matte, so it's not clinging to anything and creasing up. Like, it's looking really nice. And I didn't realize, but I think most of the products I chose today are matte. But oh well. Thanks to that Teamy Blends detox green detox mask, my skin is nowhere near as dry as it used to be, so it's really awesome being able to wear matte stuff and not have to worry about it. Now that I've got it blended out, I would say it's about a medium coverage. It's about a medium coverage. It's looking really pretty on the skin. Definitely not a full coverage because I am seeing my freckles and stuff. So far, I'm really liking it. I'm glad I tried this one again. For concealer, I'm going in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and it claims it's waterproof. This is in the shade 10 Porcelain. And I'm using I've used two different sponges, just in case you're wondering. I think these are Eco Tools maybe. I don't remember. There's something. Comment down below and let me know if y'all have any old products that y'all haven't used in a while, that y'all have recently used and rediscovered that y'all absolutely love, love, love. I love trying out new makeup that comes out, but I also love trying out old makeup that's been out for a while that I've never tried before. So if y'all recommend anything, let me know. I like the way that this is sitting. It's not creasing up or anything, and it's pretty nice coverage. I wouldn't say it's just full coverage. All right, for powder, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. I am going in with my Morphe M527 brush. So far, all the products that I'm using on my face are looking really good together. The powder set everything really nice. So far, nothing's creasing up or anything like that. So we're doing good so far. All right, for bronzer, I have the Naked Urban Decay Flush Palette. And I'm gonna go in with that bronzer. And I have this brush from Olivier Lane. I don't know, I got it from TJ Maxx and I've never used it, but I'm so excited about it. It's like angled and just really fluffy. Oh, that's so fluffy. This bronzer is a nice warm tone bronzer. Y'all, I am loving this brush. If y'all go to TJ Maxx, look for it. It's not too pigmented. It's blended out easily and it just gives a nice warm color to the face. And since it's not, and I never thought I'd say this, but since it's not too shimmery, you know, I'm not gonna contour. That is looking really pretty. All right, for blush, I'm going in with the Flower Pots Powder Blush and Warm Hibiscus. And I'm just going in with this brush. I've talked about it before. I got it from TJ Maxx. I don't know what kind it is, but it's really awesome and it's really cute. That's really pretty. Like, it's pinkish, but it has like this rose gold look to it. All right, for highlight, I'm going in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. And I'm going in with that highlighter shade. And I'm just going in with the Morphe B13 brush. That's pretty, but it's not as bam as I thought it was gonna be. It's still really pretty for a more subtle type highlight. But just because it's not bam in your face doesn't mean that I don't like it, because I don't always want that bam in your face type look, so it's still really pretty. For the eyes, I've used this palette I think in a live, or I showed it in a live once. I can't remember if I've ever used this in a video or not. But anyways, it's the Beauty Bakerie Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette. They always have such cute packaging. And this is what it looks like. I love these shades. These two down here are duochrome shades. I'm going in with that shade right there to set everything real good. Or set my eye real good. Like I've mentioned, this isn't something you have to do, but I do enjoy doing this if there is a light shade like that. It helps make sure everything's set and it lightens the lid just a little bit so your shades will show up a little bit better. All right, to start off, I'm going in with that shade right there. And I'm going to lightly put that in my crease. Oh, and that was a brush from the Alamar set that came in BoxyCharm. All right, now I'm gonna take this Eco Tools. It's a double-ended brush, and I'm gonna go in with the blending side. And I'm gonna go in with that burnt orange shade. And I'm gonna start it in the outer corner and work it in the crease. That is so pigmented, y'all. I'm gonna go back in with that Alamar brush and just blend the top. All right, now I'm gonna go in with that maroonish shade right there. Another Eco Tools brush, double-ended brush. It's just a shading thick or dense type. And I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corner. Alright, just gonna go with that Alamar brush and just blend the edges of that. Alright, I'm gonna go in with that Eco Tools and I'm gonna go in with that like warm tone brown. Barely add some in the outer corner just to deepen it up a hair. Alright, just gonna take that Alamar brush and blend. I'm gonna go back in with that highlight shade I used. I'm gonna just go in with the Morphe B15 brush and use that to highlight my brow bone. Alright, use that Alamar just to kind of blend. Now I'm gonna take that tannish brownish color. I'm hoping it's not too dark. And I'm gonna pop that right here. Okay, no, it's not. That's really pretty. These colors are so pigmented, y'all. They're so gorgeous. And I'm just kind of blending those colors, make sure they come together real nice. All right, for my brows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil. I don't see what shade it is. Anyways, but this is what it looks like. I've used it a few times. Don't remember what I thought about it, but I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Let y'all know what I think and finish the rest of my makeup. All right, I think it was a little too dark for me. That's probably why I don't wear it, but it was really easy to use. I need to figure out what shade it is and get a lighter shade and try it again. For eyeliner, I'm going in with this Flower Beauty Vinyl Eyes Glossy Gel Eyeliner. Oh, wow. That was really easy to come off. All right, for eyelashes, I'm going in with this Julep Length Matters Buildable Lengthening Mascara. This is a sample size. I don't even know if I've ever used it, but we're gonna see how it works. Y'all, I'm loving this eyeshadow. So far, I'm really liking that mascara. It definitely added some length. I'm gonna put a double layer on to see. But it definitely added length, which my eyelashes are already super long. That's where I really don't wear false lashes that much. Well, like hardly ever. But my lashes are already so long, like I just don't worry with it. All right, for lipstick, I'm going in with this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It does not say anything about the shade. Y'all, I am loving this look. I am loving how everything's sitting on my face. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat is it's really tacky, so it's kind of hard to spread over my lips, but the shade is beautiful. All right, for setting spray, I'm going in with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and I didn't even think about it. Like most of the stuff I used was matte. We'll see how this all sits together. I've used it like once or twice. Oh, I do remember, I love the mister. It comes out so light. If y'all watch the one with my husband doing my makeup and the one where I did his, like we drenched each other's faces. It was so funny. But I hate my face being drenched, so I love a light mist. This is the final look. The lipstick's really tacky, but I feel like it's so thick that it's gonna hold up pretty well, if that makes sense. It is a gorgeous color. Like I'm really, really loving this color. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what some older products of y'all's are that y'all have rediscovered, that y'all used to love, or you never really tried. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles.